Good morning, YouTube. Gonna be working again on the TJ today. I apologize, I have missed a couple of video opportunities. I will show you what I have done later. But today what we're going to be doing is I'm going to be bedlining the inside of the tub. I'm going to be removing the seats and bedlining the tub. And it is a beautiful day for it. It is 55 degrees. It's about 8 o'clock on October the 5th. 2019. The first 3 days of October here in Mississippi set records. The first 3 days of October were hotter than the first 3 days of June, July, August, and September. The third day of October was actually 98 degrees. Terrible. So this 55 degree weather this morning is awesome. As you can see, I have the roll bars removed. I'm going to color match them. The color I'm going to paint the Jeep, I will tell you that color later. I already know it. But today I'm going to be rhino lining or raptor lining the tub of my Jeep TJ. So I got to get all this stuff out and then we'll get to it. This is the bed liner I'm going to be spraying in today. I have never used it. My brother has used it. He runs a body shop supply store, and I'm going to be spraying this in today. One of the good things about this is it only costs like $120 retail. It does have the hardener in the system, and it comes with 5 quarts. And it comes with a spray gun also. So this is what I'm going to be putting on the TJ today. If you watch my other videos, you have noticed probably that my dash is not gray anymore, it's black. The other dash was nasty and dirty, and I took all the pieces off and I color changed them to black using Sims black paint for vinyl, and I also use a Duplicolor paint for the door panels, and they was also gray as well. So there's been a few things that I've done to the Jeep that I was not able to capture videos on, but I will commit to make videos from here on out straight through the rest of the restoration. So I'll make a video shortly showing everything that I've done to it and telling everything I've done to it up until this point. Alright, this is our buffer, and this is a brush you put on the end of the buffer, and it will actually scour the paint really good and make the bed liner hold on to the paint. It'll scratch the surface really well, and it being flexible, you can get in all the little nooks and crannies and stuff. It's really a big time saver, and you can get this at a lot of your body shop supply stores. Here's the finished product. Did the tailgate and all the insides. Give you a side view. It's still wet at this point. I actually came down into the where the door closes against the seal right there a little bit because it had got rusty right there and people getting in and out, dragging their feet across it. I thought that would be a lot more durable than just car paint. So that's the finished job anyway. I think it looks pretty good. If you want to keep up with some of these videos as we progress through this build, hit the subscribe button. Remember to click the bell icon to get notifications every time I upload a new video. And this is the 1997 Jeep TJ project. We're going to restore it all the way to some of its former glory.